diving in CRM form design. By the end, you all know the insight you need to how you can efficiently design your CRM form in Bitrix 24. So, glad you see it. Hit that like button and let's get started. CRM form design. How is it designed? Is it possible in Bitrix 24 CRM? Yes, it is possible. So, right now I'm clicking on existing CRM form. When the CRM form is configured, you can start designing it as well as the page where it plays. Configure the CRM form design. Click the design button when the edit the form. Then click on the form to edit its design. Here we have to select. The corresponding settings are open on the left side. Here you can edit the whatever following parameters according to your theme. We have some 5 options: business, modern, or classy, funny, and pixel. Like this we have. So right now I'm using classical. And style. We have dark and light, like feed style, modern or standard. Form shadow. You want to add form shadow or not, you can add here. Enable or disable. So disable it. You can see the result on here. So here we have background color for lighter items, text color for lighter items, form background color, form text color, feed background color, focus feed background color, feed border color, font name, and form borders. If you want only bottom side, you can add here. Otherwise, if you want 4 side, you can just tick this mark like this. Or do you don't want it right and left means like this. Otherwise, right and left, remove top and border like this. After all these arrangements, you have to save this. After saving, your form will design according to you. Configure the CRM form page design. For this, to use your custom background color on the page containing your CRM form, click on Form Features in the top right corner and then click the Settings gear icon. Under the Page Design tab, enable the Custom Page Background option. Upload an image or generate it with the help of Copilot. Like this, you can add background image to your CRM form. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.